Spurred butterfly pea. Yeah, there's background noise in the back because I'm down close to the road. So, aren't they just beautiful though? I'm trying to hold this steady, but I'm checking a little bit. There we go. Not too much caffeine this morning. Too much of the caffeine. Yep. Look how pretty. I'm gonna get me a stabilizer, y'all. I tried that stabilizer on one of the apps, one of my editing apps. It did not help. Either that or I just didn't know how to use it, which I don't think that was the case. I think it had a glitch or something, because it actually seemed like it made my video even that much more shaky. I don't know. I think I am shaky a little bit today because caffeine got me going. And let's see. Got a little bit of that. Y'all know what that is, don't you? Hold on just a minute. We'll look at the pretty butterfly peas. Yeah. As far as I know, these are wild. They grow wild. I'm telling you, we get a lot of different stuff on the sides of the driveway because of this right here. Yeah, y'all we got muscadine vines growing on our electrical wires. This is how come we have problems with our electric power going out a lot right here. But anyway, changing the subject like I always do. Okay, but the reason there's so much stuff that one year we'll have, one year we won't have, you know, is because birds get up on these wires right here, and depending on what seeds they've eaten for the day or whatever, when they go potty, then everything drops down here, and then the next year it comes about. It's pretty. And this right here is some goldenrod. Yeah, and that's really good for I believe it's for like respiratory. I'm not a doctor or anything like that, but it's some people say that it's good for respiratory problems. Okay, now like I said, no doctor, don't quote me on anything. Here's some more goldenrod. Yeah, some more goldenrod. All right. So, it's a little butterfly flying around. A little butterfly flying